Olive Again. The novel revisits the character of Olive Kitteridge, whose sharp wit and candid perspective on life offer a refreshing yet realistic portrayal of the struggles that come with growing older. Strout's writing captures the intricacies of Olive's relationships with her family and community, revealing how personal connections shape our identities over time. I was particularly struck by the raw honesty with which Olive confronts her past choices and regrets, making her a deeply relatable character. Olive's journey through various phases of life highlights the importance of understanding and forgiveness, reminding us that everyone carries their own burdens. The interconnected stories in the novel showcase how even the smallest interactions can have profound impact on our lives.